To prove the given identity tan 3x tan 2x tan x as tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x, I'm going to make use of tan of 3x as my main thing because I can write tan 3x as tan 2x plus x because I have an identity already which is tan of x plus y which is equivalent to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, I'm gonna apply it to tan of 2x plus x. This is how it looks like. There you go. Once you've done that, now it's time to take tan of 3x equivalent to tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I need to bring that negative sign here. So what you need to do is simply look at the denominator and cross multiply it with tan of 3x. What will going to happen is what we're going to asking for. So tan 3x multiplied to 1 minus tan 2x tan x equivalent to tan 2x plus tan x. We already got the clue for our RHS. Okay, now let me expand, which is tan 3x minus tan 3x tan 2x tan x. Okay, got it. Everything in a multiple form. So let me write the remaining tan 2x plus tan x. Now rearrange everything to, write it as an identity, as a RHS thing. So send the tan 2x plus tan x to the left. You're left with tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x as tan 3x, tan 2x, and tan x. That's what your origin. And take a quick overview. And you have any questions on your higher concepts, you can reach out to me. The link is in description. And yeah, thanks for watching.